The overall mission of Old Boot Factory is to really provide a future and a hope through boots and through job creation and customer service. So we have the Nocona Beer Brewery, who manufactures beer and they distribute it all over Texas. We have the Nocona baseball manufacturing facility that manufactures by hand leather baseball gloves. We have the Hope 2911 Food Bank and Outreach Center that goes on every other Saturday, and we give out at least 30 huge pallets of food and fresh produce. And we also minister to the people who come. And we're gonna have Nocona coffee. This is a huge deal. This really is going to give another aspect to the town of Nocona and then to our building as well for local manufactured goods. So Hope 2911 started because we saw the need in a town that was desolate and that had little jobs and little food, and we saw the need, so we knew we had to start something to give back. The Old Boot Factory solely funds Hope 2911 through every boot purchase made in store and online. We buy a load of food from several vendors, and then we also get a bunch of things donated to us that we in turn give to any food bank recipient. So over the past 2 years, we have expanded from 1 store in Nocona, Texas to 10 stores all over DFW and Oklahoma. We look forward to growing, and we also look forward to opening other footprints for Hope 2911 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and possibly Oklahoma. And every boot sale goes to fund that and goes to help us open these locations. I'm really excited about what's coming up. So just to give you a little backstory, last January we went to Mexico and partnered with Old Gringo to make our private boot label, Old Boot Factory. I love the designs, I think they're great. It's a timeless classic boot, and what we're looking forward to is a continued partnership with Old Gringo and some exciting things in the future. Hey, come out and experience Nocona, Texas at any one of our 10 locations and have a beer.